Hey everyone, welcome back. So let's break down today's setup. As you can see, these are our trades which we took on our channels. To join our channels, you can just click on the link in description. So let's begin. Here you can just check out our first signal for USD JPY 5 minutes up. This was a very good one, amazing win right there. You can just check this out. Yeah. So in this, the market was in a steady uptrend and the price pulled back to the strong support level. The level held perfectly, showing that clear buying strength. Support plus uptrend was there. This was a clean setup to buy this, and the trade moved as we expected. This was an amazing win right there. What a win. Then the next signal was for USD 5 minutes up. So I'll just reopen the chart so it's better for you to understand. Yes, so right here, the trade was given at 315 for the call side. And this is the previous candle, filled the entire wick. And the price was sitting right on the top of the support level. So we expected an upside move, but this was a loss. But the next candle was on our side. Then the next signal was for CHF JPY, 5 minutes down. Yeah, so in this CHF JPY, 5 minutes down, the trade was given at 320 for the downside. In this, the price was tapped into a clear resistance zone, and we expect a push to the downside. The logic was correct, but the candle gave an error, which moved against us. So yeah, this was also a loss, but the next candle was again on our side. Then we move to the next trade, AUD CAD, 5 minutes down. Let me show you. In this trade, the trade was given at 330 for the downside. In this, the previous candle engulfed the green one, which usually signals one more push to the downside and showing the seller pressure. So we just put a put side here, but this was a loss. Again, our setup was not valid right here, but our logic was correct, but the move didn't go as expected. So we just skipped this trade. This was a loss. The next signal was for USD 5 minutes up. And this, we didn't get the entry. So we skipped this trade. USD 5 minutes up. And this you can just check out. This was also a good win. The price was tapped into a well-respected support and immediately showed the rejection. Buyer stepped in and we took a buy trade right here on the support line. We just won this trade. Amazing win for the call side. You can just check out. The next signal was for USD 5 minutes up. Here, this was also a good win. In this, the price came back to the exact same support from the previous trade. And when a level hold twice, it becomes even stronger. So we saw another bounce right here, and we entered again. This was simple, clean, logical, and this was an amazing win right there. You can just check out. The next signal was for USD 5 minutes up again. This was also a good win. Same thing for this. This time the candle formed a strong rejection from the wick, from the support zone. Then this confirmed the bar pressure once again, and support plus wick rejection was there. This was a perfect combination to buy this trade. We won this trade. Amazing win right there. The next signal was for USD 5 minutes up again. Here you can just check out. Once again, the price returned to the same support level, and once again we just pushed the market up from that zone with multiple tests of same support, showing that strong demand. We took another uptrade right here, which played out smoothly. Amazing win. Like these setup shows you that the levels can be marked, and yeah. So like these setup shows you how powerful support levels can be when the market keeps respecting the same zone. Stick to the structure, follow the levels, and trust the candle psychology, and then the trading becomes simple. So this was all for the video. See you in the next breakdown. Till then, goodbye.